The Lea-rig by Robert Burns. Lea-rig, Meadow Ridge. Bughtin-time, bucks, the ewe bucks. It's milking time for the ewes in the evening milking time. In the song. And owsen frae the furrow'd fields, oxen from the furrow'd fields, returned sae dowf and weary, oh, returned so dull, leaden with exhaustion and weary. Down by the burn, by the brook, where birken buds, birch buds, with dew are hanging clear, my Joe. Joe is a term of endearment. My darling, my love. Mirk is dark. The hunter loves the morning sun, loves the morning sun. When o'er the hill the parting sun tells bughtin-time is near, my Joe, and owsen frae the furrow'd field return sae dowf and weary, oh, down by the burn where birken buds with dew are hanging clear, my Joe, I'll meet thee on the lea-rig, my ain kind dearie O, at midnight hour in mirkest glen, I'd rove and ne'er be irie, oh, if through that glen I gaed to thee, my ain kind dearie O, and though the nicht were near sae mirk, and I were near sae weary, oh, I'd meet thee on the lea-rig, my ain kind dearie O. The hunter loose the morning sun to rouse the mountain deer, my Joe, at noon the fisher seeks the glen, Adown the burn taste here, my Joe, gie me the oor o' gloaming grey, it makes my heart sae cheery, oh, to meet thee on the lea-rig, my ain kind dearie O. I've got that beautiful set of the tune, very unusual, from a book by, Neil Stewart, collection of Scots tunes with arrangements by Charles MacLean. It was published in 1770. 2 years later, it was published in Floris Musicae by John Clark, which is a book that Burns owned. The tune everyone sings was first published in the Scots Musical Museum, whose musical editor tended to improve things toward the conventional and ordinary. His name was Stephen Clark. He was a church organist from Durham, England, and took it upon himself to correct the music of, James Oswald, the preeminent composer of the Scots Baroque, and Neil Gow, the legendary fiddler of the 18th century. composer of Strathspeys. So anyway, this goes bum bum. That major seventh drop. It's very unusual and very beautiful. That was changed in the museum to a, and then anyway, it was like instead of. What else have I got to tell you? Oh, this is interesting. Burns wrote this. Was not published in the Scots Musical Museum. They'd already published at that with an early set of lyrics, which Burns thought may have been put together by Robert Fergusson, the poet. We don't know. Anyway, it was a traditional song and also a tune. And there was a dance tune that was very pentatonic and kind of bouncier. But this is the more beautiful air. Anyway, Burns was writing for a second publisher. He specifically wanted Burns to provide him lyrics to melodies, and this guy was getting continental composers to arrange them. I don't know why he couldn't use the Scots tunesmiths who understood the music better. Beethoven's arrangements of Burns songs are particularly awful. And I don't like Haydn's much better. A lot of other people do. But there's enough Oswald, Bremner, McGibbon. These people published at least bass lines for many of the tunes, and it gives you an idea of how they wanted them arranged. And when I put together a guitar part in this style, I try to emulate what they were doing instead of imposing things from the outside. So Burns was working the song out, and the second draft had that Parting Sun as one of the alternates, which I prefer. There was also Evening Star, and Eastern Star, and then he was preferring Eastern Star in a later letter. I don't know if that's to Evening Star or to Parting Sun, but I've taken the liberty of Parting Sun because I think it's really sets the scene, and I love the way the sun goes into bughtin. The parting sun tells bughtin-time is near, my Joe. Thompson pushed Burns to write that third verse, the hunter loves the morning sun. So that's a mark in his merit column.